to my channel, XOXO. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least once a week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Rochelle_XOX, and Twitter, which is XOX_Shell. So that way you guys can keep up with everything that's been going on. It's been super busy, super crazy. So if you follow me on Twitter, I update mostly on there, which is fun. I'm a little late on the unboxing, but what's new? I'm actually going to combine this one with the Ipsy and the Boxycharm of October. I kind of wish they would come earlier in the month, but that's just me. So this is really cute. This is the Ipsy for October, and then the Boxycharm. I love the Ipsy bag, like I'm obsessed. But we're going to start with this, and then we're going to go to Boxycharm. So let's get right into this video. This bag is. It's a mask, like it's a red mask, and it's adorable. I think it's really, really cute. It's really, really Halloween-y. So this is Who Said Nights Were for Sleep? Ipsy After Dark, October 2018. Very cool. So let's look at all these goodies. Make sure we have 5. Yes, yes. Ooh, actually, this one is ooh, this one's pretty good. So first we're gonna start with this is like a unicorn looking sparkly brush. So this is really pretty. I like the sparkle, or the sparkly handle, and then the purple and blue brush tip. Pretty. This is the Glamour Dolls. This must be mascara. Yep, Glamour Dolls mascara. It's upside down. Very nice, full size, pretty sure this is full size, and then the brush is full size, so that's pretty cool. Very nice so far. Then we have the Pixi by Petra. This is a super cute eyeshadow. It's called Plum Lace. It's a shimmering mineral duo, super pretty wearable colors. It's like a purpley color and like a darker purple, and it's cute how they put it in the little bubble wrap so it doesn't shatter. Very cute. Then, skincare, which I love. This is the Belief Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Who doesn't love Belief? Look how cute this is. Their products are so nice. I use their Aqua Bomb moisturizer occasionally, and their eye cream is really good. They also have like a kit at Sephora, which has like 5 products that you can test out, and they're really, really cute. They're about this size. So I love this brand. I really, really do. So I'm obsessed. And then we have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which you guys know I use in like almost all my videos. This one is in light medium, which I actually think is the same color as my full-size one. But this little sample guy is going to last you forever. So yeah, like this is really good Ipsy. Like I'm pumped. Like this is awesome. These are all products that I'll use. I'm very impressed this month. October did good. October gets a thumbs up. So yeah, I'm not contemplating that. I think that Ipsy did really well this month. So I'm very impressed. Normally I'm usually like hit or miss. It's a lot of products that I don't usually know. But if you haven't checked out my other Ipsy playlist, definitely check them out up here. And yeah, so this is October. And yeah. Now we're going to move on to the October Boxycharm. So if you haven't checked out my Boxycharm playlist, definitely check them out up here. This one is 5 full-size items for $21 a month, whereas Ipsy is 5 sample size, which I think in this one there was 2 full-size. This one is $10 a month, so that's not bad. So either one, Boxycharm is usually very impressive. That's why I really like it. Ooh, ooh, this one's pretty good. Ooh. So this one is Boxycharm Alter Ego for October. Super cool. Super excited. There's really cute products in here. So I think they did really good overall for October because like all of a sudden I'm like excited. So this is Dermovia Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So that's pretty cool. Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Pretty cool. There's 2 of them in there. Then we have the Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is actually really nice because I did get a sample of it before. And this is an awesome mascara. I actually got the sample in my birthday gift from Ulta. And it was the mini superhero one, and it actually works really, really nice. My favorite, though, honestly, out of all mascaras that I've used, is the Marc Jacobs, because I was using this, and then I ran out, and then I used a, like, sample size of the Marc Jacobs one, and it was fantastic. Like, I've never seen my lashes, like, that long and, like, amazing. So, I highly recommend. I do like this one, but I love the Marc Jacobs one. Then we have, Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Mother. So this is Mother in Kat Von D. I really do like her lipsticks. This is kind of too bright for me, but it's pretty. It dries down matte. They stay on really, really long. She has a couple colors, obviously Lolita and like Lolita 2, and there's another one that I can't think of right now that is really super pretty. They're like more of like a nude shade, and those are like her most popular colors, and they are beautiful. So if you haven't checked out Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks, I think you should, because they're really good. They're really, really good. They're like almost probably comparable to the Kylie ones, we'll say. Then, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is Pharmacy. This is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love Pharmacy. That brand, oh my goodness, look at it. It looks so nice. So this is definitely a really good Boxycharm. I love Pharmacy brand. They are like an up-and-coming brand, but they're fantastic. They have a couple other products that I've used. I've used their honey potion. I've used their honey mask. That one kind of warms up. It's got a lot of B vitamins in it for your skin. It's really, really nice. I would definitely check that out. But they also have a couple other products. This one I've never used, but this one was made exclusively for Boxycharm. But I think they actually have like this is like the full size. So I would highly recommend Pharmacy. Really great brand. I love that there's so many brands that I know. And then we have Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Look how cute that is. This one's super cute, and I love Pure. Pure has been in a couple other Boxycharms, so if you haven't seen my other videos, definitely check them out. Let me open this box. Ooh! So it has blush and eyeshadow. So it's a face palette, not necessarily just an eyeshadow palette. So this one has a mirror. They're pretty bright though. The blushes are nice. They remind me of Tarte blushes. And then the eyeshadows are really pretty too. They're just kind of bright. The only matte one is Sneak Peek, and the rest Mask Off, Exposed, Showtime, 12 AM. They're very pretty though, so I give them props. Very nice. I am so impressed. I should have done this earlier, but I didn't have time. But I love both. I love Boxycharm and Ipsy this month. Very impressed. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm and your Ipsy and what you thought about this month. And sorry that it's late again. But I do have a bunch of products that I have to show you guys and review, and I can't wait to show you guys those. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for those coming soon. I'm super pumped about that, by the way. And yeah, it's just been super busy. So yeah, that's all I can say really, because it's true. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye guys!